Yummy, Sammy!
Do you think it's crazy that I mix cucumber and peach? But you know what? It's actually not crazy. It's crazy delicious. If you don't trust me, then why don't you try? Shall we make? I got the pretty cucumber. Cut it out and slice like this. Put them in the bowl. Half tablespoon salt. Set aside. Then we're gonna go ahead and make garnish. Of course, you can skip. Slice about 1/3 cucumber, really thin. Stay in line, guys. Take out the thick one. Then roll up, pushing a little. It wasn't an earthquake. I was just looking for a toothpick. You think it works? Not really. Then just pressing. I made it, bitch. Oh, please, please. Crispy. This pink peach is kind of hard. When it comes to side dishes, it never works with soft one. Peel the peach. And slice like cucumber. One and a half tablespoon hot pepper flakes. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 and a half soy sauce. This one is lemon juice. It really bothers me. But I'm still fine because I got good teeth. 2 and a half tablespoons. One and a half tablespoons sesame oil and sesame seeds. Mix them all well. How long did it take? Less than 5 minutes. Lastly, little more sesame seed. Done! Don't forget this. No garlics or green onions for the peach taste.
진짜 맛있다.
Your loving support? I cannot even tell you how grateful I am.
Enjoy!